Hello guys, and today we're doing Village Island Survival. No one's joining. No one! Okay, here we go, Village Island. Holy crap, it is just an island. It's very small. Holy crap, they're just like... Oh my gosh, they're dropping freaking carrots. What the crap? It's giving carrots out. They're pooping carrots? What the crap? It's so weird. But these two houses are like, I freaking love you. I love you. See what's in here. Hey buddy, you may not want to go. Just keep your door open because there may be robbers like me. I'll probably take this house. Because then I can connect it to other one. Actually, that would be pretty nice. Just have a big, open house. Well, we are surviving in a big freaking village. And it's only an island, so might as well. Do you have the crappiest house I've ever seen? Man, everything's so like freaking cluttered. Here. I'm gonna find a blacksmith. And quick. Not too quick, but yeah, we need to find a blacksmith. If there is one, because there hopefully should be one, especially if you live on an island. That's all the world is. Especially if you're a villager. Usually helpless. No, freaking seriously, where's the blacksmith? Oh my god, where's the blacksmith? Where's the building of the blacksmith? That house is so jacked up. My world did not put in properly at all. I thought it'd be easy to get some glass. As you can see, we have like a desert on our island, which doesn't really make sense, but Yuki, we need some animals. Sheepy. Sheep. Sheep. Yay. Let's see. Wonder if sheep poop too. Villagers poop carrot. Holy crap. Squid. Oh my gosh. This is a busy place, especially for stop. I do not want to trade. Get move. Every time I hit one, another one comes in. Block my way of saving them. I wouldn't like to be stuck down there. Actually, y'all could stay. Swim. Piece of crap. You may not spin well, but it'll be freaking fine. Get out of my house. It's my house now. Holy crap, yeah. Villagers pooping out carrots. The code has totally gone wrong. Holy cow. Is there even much animals at all? Is that one sheep and that's it? And donkey? That's all this island. Yes. How am I supposed to survive? Oh my god, I don't have a freaking bed. Oh my god. I'm also going to need saplings badly. Yeah, I'm not saving you. This is going to suck. Especially with only one sheep that I got on the island. Yeah. Ah, stupid notifications. We are not sponsoring. Jeez. Oh wait, hold on. I thought they deleted those. Well, at least for Xbox. Yeah, that house is gonna die. What the heck? I've seen, like, it's supposed to be bigger. Oh my gosh, we're not sponsoring D&D, but probably mostly. Oh wait. Is that? If it's doing that, I can have a little bit of fun. Oh, that's awesome. I love when you're able to do that. You don't see those often, but just rarely they generate in your world. Oh my god. No sheep. But two. Two of them. Two lonely ones. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be hard living with all these suckers. What? Get out of my house. Yeah, you have good traits, but get the crap out of here. I love how the NPCs aren't dumb in this game. They're actually pretty freaking smart. But they're mostly like bandits, especially villagers. Because they just walk into your homes without permission. Unless you have an iron door. They'll have the lockpick. Oh my gosh, I moved out. I was like, what the heck? Where did it go? It's becoming night. freaking become night. Guess what? Guess what that means? I get blown up by freaking creepers. Because I'm not ready for this crap. I'm just wanting to destroy your crap, okay? 18. Oh, 15. Okay, boy, you're on my list. Observing. Okay. Crafty. Wait, I'm pretty crafty. Oh crap. Get out of my freaking house. Gotta make it bigger. Get out. Out. Freaking no. Out. Gotta lock this door at night. So let's connect these houses. You stupid. I can't believe that they did that much time. People are just coming into my house. Ooh, torch. My place is not a free place, you know. I mean, it may be a trade place, but what the crap, guys? Get out of my house. Are you freaking ever get out? You are getting out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh my god. Yeah, you better freaking get out. Oh my god. I gotta get these trades in. Okay, those guys cannot get me. How are you supposed to get me, sucker? Bang, bang, sucker. Oh, crap. Always stay inside at all times, boys and girls. Holy crap. Well, there'll just be zombies everywhere. There's zombies in my house! There are freaking zombies in my house. No. And that's why I want a bed. But no, they have to give us only 2 sheep. No, only 2. Oh, freaking following me. No. Why does this keep happening? Oh crap. I hate that it never actually pauses. Especially on Xbox 360. Oh crap. Gotta get it out. They're starting to survive. Oh no, that one's not gonna survive. Holy crap. I hate this. That zombie's still freaking after me. Zombies have good senses, man. Especially for that crap. God, what color are the crops? Give me crap, I need to trade right now. Right now. Go away, get down. And piece of crap. That no one likes you. Because you're a fucking zombie. Get down. Got you. Crap. Because you have no rounds. There we go. Anybody want some raw flesh? You want some raw flesh? I told you my house was not. Get off. My crap. 16? I'll pay you a lot more than that for. Oh. Dude, I'll pay you. Thank you. You're freaking awesome. Thank you for the emerald to make me look so OP. Dude, you're awesome. I look so OP right now. Even that I haven't. It's just my first night. I just got freaking. Well, it's not that much hay. I mean, can't really be that bad. Wait, bread? Bread? Oh, dude, trade me that bread. Oh, yeah. Buy that crap. No, it's a bad trade, but holy crap, I need that right now. Let's eat some. Actually, no. Soon my house is going to be an advantage for zombies. And a very good advantage it will be. Let's see what. Okay, you're saying person, all the darts. Oh wait. You have to say freaking trades. You blacksmith. Oh, those aren't bad. Just the fact that you're standing at my door. Good one, you should be freaking afraid. I'm punching you. Both of you. Do not notice that I'm killing your friends. That's the end. That's the end of day 1, guys. This was super fun. Bye. I need to say bye. Bye, bad.